June 2014, Stats 1. This is the famous stats question where the Isle of Man was immortalised because it's about the TT. Okay, they're describing the situation about the race. Each race consists of 3 laps, but you have to complete the qualifying race first. Okay, so this is this is the actual qualifying variable, and this is the actual race variable, and they want to see if the two are linked. Okay, if you are good at if you have a fast time in qualifying, do you have a fast time in the actual race? Okay, but they have changed it because X denotes the average speed and Y denotes the average speed. So that is the actual speed, but they have scaled it. Okay, they have taken 100 off every score. So for the first one, whoops, okay, the rider probably got did get 107.88, but they made it take away 100, and that is how they got that. They have done that for every value. Okay, so it's about linear scaling. Okay, so then they ask you to calculate the product moment correlation coefficient. That is actually, you know it as R. So use your calculator, because it's raw data, to calculate the product moment correlation coefficient. Okay, so here, you put in stats mode, choose 2, and then we are using this. Okay, usually we do that for other distributions, but now we are using this because this is to do with regression. Okay, so use 2. Put the data in. It will take hours, so I'm not going to do it. 0.7. Okay, and put it all in, and then you'll get the answers. It's not in my calculator, so it won't work. But to put the calculator in stats mode, and then you look at the things, and that 5 will get you R. Okay, and then press 3. Okay, and that it goes mad because it doesn't have any data in, but it should be 0.915. If you get that, you will get 3 marks. But if you get 0.92, they will only give you 2 marks. If you get 0.8, you will get no marks. So if you have typed the wrong numbers in the calculator, it's very easy to do. You get no marks because it's 0.8 gets 1 mark, 0.7 gets no marks. Okay, so don't take that risk. Write that down, and then do these things. Just scrawl it on your paper. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's them, but it means that. And write them all out and get them off your calculator like this. Shift stats. They're all in there, and write them out, and then you'll get 1 mark, and you'll get the second mark for knowing SUV and SV, VUV and VV. Sorry. Okay, and write them down, and then you'll get all marks, even if that is rubbish. Okay, it depends if you like to live dangerously or not. Okay, hence the second part of the question is this. Hence state the value of RXY. Okay, so you have worked out RUV. Okay, it's the same. The product moment correlation coefficient doesn't change because of scaling. So just put 0.915 and put scaling, linear scaling has no effect on product moment correlation coefficient. Okay, and so then you've got 2 marks, amazingly. Okay, so last they're asking you to interpret what RXY means in the context of this question. So essentially, do you know what the question is about? Okay, Okay, we know it's positive. We know it looks something like that. Okay, so qualifying and actual. Okay, so the faster you're qualifying, the faster your qualifying time, the faster your actual time, because there is a positive correlation. And 0.955 suggests there is a strong relationship. You know, you just think about it. You don't have to write this, just think about it. It's there. Okay, it's fairly strong because that is perfect. Okay, so you have a strong relationship between riders' qualifying times and their actual times. Okay, that's it.